Morning, engineers. I hope that you are doing well on this Thursday. Today will be your last assignment of the week. It's also going to be the last assignment with Carol the dog. Some of you, I bet, are glad to see Carol go. I like Carol. I thought that they were fun little exercises. So let me just run you through what today is going to be. Today is going to be the last aspect of Carol the dog, aspect 3. So you're going to pick one of the challenge problems for Carol the dog, and I'll walk you through that in just a moment, and solve one of them. So you're not going to do all of them, right? You're going to do Racing Carol, Tower Builder, Super Carol Cleanup, or Double Tennis Balls. And what I'm referring to is this, the Carol Challenges. So when I look at this is what you're going to be working on. You're not allowed to do fetch, too easy, but you can pick one of these, Racing Carol, Tower Builder, Super Cleanup Carol, and Tennis Balls. What I like about this is I'm going to allow you to solve it, any way that you want, provided you meet the requirements that the Code HS makes for us. So in the case of Racing Carol, this is really similar to one that we've already done. You got a different racetrack, so the racetrack could be any one of these. And Carol's job, right, is to go around 8 laps and lay a ball at each corner. You need to do what we're asked, turn right, turn around, and use functions and things like that. But if you do these, and you've commented your code, and you get it to work, you are at aspect 3, and you're done with Carol. We're ready to move on to the graphics part of this, which some of you have already started moving ahead on. So again, I'm not going to read all of these to you, but this is your first step. You need to take a look at these ones first. They've already set up Carol's worlds for these challenges. So if I hit let's go, right, whatever code I put in here needs to work for all of these racetracks. And the similar is true of all of the other challenges. So is that clear? Your last aspect, aspect 3 for this, the last part of Carol the dog, is to pick one of those challenges listed and to get her done. If you need help, if you need clarification, reach out to me and ask some questions. I'm interested in how many of you are going to pick the harder one, right? The harder one I think is the last one, which is the double tennis balls. Anyways, go ahead, get to work on that. Try to get that thing done by Monday. And then we're going to start with the next unit, which will be graphics on that. All right, guys, good luck and have a good weekend.